To understand the phenomena, the interaction that we see in nature, one of the best way to move forward is to understand forces. So, how is that we are going to understand forces? First thing is, let's look at the classification of forces. What are the kinds of forces that we see in nature? So, we have classified them under the name of fundamental forces in nature. We have our strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and gravity. This is the one which we're going to study. Strong and weak nuclear forces is to do with atoms and so on and so forth. I won't go to the details of it. Electromagnetic force is something that we have seen, so I can talk about this. If you take any plastic material like scale, rub it against your head, what happens? If you get any paper near it, yes, they get attracted. This is to do with electrical phenomena. This is to do with charges. Okay, anything to do with charges, it comes under electrical phenomena. Magnetic phenomena you guys have seen. It's not a new thing. If you take a magnet and if you get it near a ferromagnetic material, they attract each other. It gets pulled. Things get pulled. Right? So let me show this practically. Please have a look at this. Okay, the first thing was it dealt with charges. The first phenomena, it dealt with charges. The second one dealt with magnetic phenomena. So this was your electromagnetic phenomena. Next is gravity. You have seen gravity falling, things falling towards the earth. That's because of gravity. Let me show you an object falling towards something else. What do I mean? Please have a look at this video. The first example was quite simple. I had a mass and it fell towards the floor. Quite simple. The second thing was a bit weird. I won't go to the details of it, but yes, I agree it was a bit weird. I had a bob like structure and I had a dumbbell. We saw that it got attracted. This got attracted towards the dumbbell. Right? But clearly it was very slow. It couldn't have been magnetic or electrical. Is it not? Because electrical and magnetic, they happens rapidly. They are fast moving things. And second thing is I have not slowed down the video. I can promise you that. And third thing is it went forward. After hitting it, it came back. Clearly it's not magnetic. If it was magnetic, the dumbbell would have not let go of it. Is it not? If you stick a magnet towards a dumbbell or keep it on a dumbbell or keep it near a dumbbell, once it gets attracted, it won't let go of it. So clearly it was not magnetic. Why was it? It was because of gravity. How and what factors are there? Why is that a bob is getting attracted to a dumbbell? Why is it happening? You'll understand all of these factors. Right? That's the whole idea of this chapter. So I just wanted you guys to get curious about what you're going to study. So I hope this helped. And one more thing that we're going to study is this particular question. What happens to the moon's path of motion if Earth disappears? right? So moon, as of now, it's taking something like this circular path. Okay. So if by chance say Earth disappears, right? If by chance Earth disappears, what will happen to the moon? Will it continue to go round with Earth, imaginary Earth as its center, or will something else happen? So we're going to try to understand this particular thing and try to answer this particular thing. That's what we're going to do with the help of this chapter.